Hello, welcome. What is conscious aging in slow Qigong? First, most important is learn to embrace aging, embrace life, embracing aging as part of natural process, as part of human journey, in a conscious way, in an energetic way, and instead of fighting it, resisting it, or wishing it's not here. Secondly, is about embracing working with challenges coming with aging, particularly physical, emotional, mental, spiritual challenges when life changes, in circumstance changes, losing job or ending of the job, and our kids is moving out, or lost our loved ones, and this deeper experience of life often very difficult and challenging. So Qigong is about working with these challenges more consciously, more lovingly, more energetically. It's about connecting the mind with the body, internally discover the energy, the wisdom, the love, the joy, the power still within you. The same powers you're born with as a baby still within you. So discovering this pure essence, the seeds within you, then you can water the seeds with a new water, new sunshine, new attentions. So you're giving a priority for internal cultivation, also for self-care, self-empowerment, self-healing. And conscious aging is also about discovering the deeper meaning, deeper purpose in a new stage of life, and enjoy life, learn to enjoy life. When you enjoy the fullness of life, abundance of life, the deeper connection of life, you're naturally experiencing a deep sense of purpose, meaning, and fulfillment, value as well. So conscious aging is about this continuous discovery, continuous awakening, continuous healing, continuous fulfillment for rest of your life. So it's also about applying the ancient wisdom of Qigong for longevity, for healing to your life. Particularly, whenever you're experiencing change, experiencing challenges, experiencing the deeper question, deeper meaning of life. So I'm so looking forward to see you in the upcoming workshop. We're going to dedicate 2 days for rest of your life. Learn the wisdom, the tool, the practice, but also connecting in the community. Deeply, embody the wisdom. Deeply, applying the wisdom to everyday life to empower self, working on this journey to greater fulfillment, greater love, greater joy, discover deeper peace. So I'm so looking forward to see you in the upcoming workshop. 好啦，好啦。